Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights video tutorials. Today I'm sharing with you my milk tart recipe. So to start off, we are going to make the base by cracking a large egg into a bowl. To that, we're going to add 125 grams soft butter or margarine, a quarter cup of oil, 3/4 cup of sugar. And we're going to whisk this mixture until it's smooth and fully combined. The end result should be creamy. Add a splash of vanilla essence. Two cups of raising flour. 1 cup plain or cake flour or all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And we're going to mix this until it forms a dough. The end result should be like a biscuit consistency. Tip it onto your work surface if you find you're going to do the mixing better that way, as I did here. And this is how the dough should look like when it's fully mixed. And then we're going to take some of the dough and line a 20 by 20 centimeter oven-proof dish. Your dish should be fairly deep. So use some of the pastry to line the dish with. It should be a thin layer of pastry, not too thick. And please ensure there's no holes in the pastry as you line your dish. And you can easily divide this recipe into 3 milk tart. You know the silver foil milk tart dishes? You can do 3 of these as well. But I prefer my milk tart to be nice and a deep milk tart. So then you're going to take 1 liter milk, a few cardamoms and stick cinnamon, and bring the milk to a boil. I suggest you do this as a first step to ensure your milk gets a chance to cool completely before using. So you're going to bring your milk to a boil and cool it completely. In a bowl, crack 12 eggs. I always use large eggs for my baking. So please use then large eggs to get the same consistency and texture as mine. To the eggs, add 1 cup of sugar and whisk thoroughly. When your eggs has been whisked thoroughly and it's soft and it's creamy, you're going to pour the milk in. Ensure no little bits of the cardamom and stick cinnamon. Use a strainer. A tea strainer is fine. And then mix gently. You're going to take your milk and egg mixture, and pour it directly onto the unbaked lined dish. Sprinkle with cinnamon powder. and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. And there you have it, my milk tart recipe. And I have to add, my recipe was amongst the top 20 in South Africa in 2018 as one of the best milk tarts in South Africa. And thank you for watching, and I hope you're going to try my recipe sometime. See you soon. Bye-bye.